In this video, I am going to show you how to access wiring diagrams for your vehicle, including technical details of the different wiring harnesses or wiring connectors. So I shall be covering those models which were manufactured from 1998 all the way to 2016, right? Now, you should know that these wiring diagrams are absolutely free. But before I show you where to download them, I think it's very important that I just show you how comprehensive the information really is, okay? So once the document has landed in your hands, it's going to look like this, okay? It has got different chapters, and those chapters are different units within the vehicle which have got electrical circuits, okay? So for example, the air conditioner is a chapter on its own, which has got circuit diagrams for the air conditioner, the automatic, the manual, and then we've got the anti-lock brakes, anti-theft, body control modules, computer data lines, cooling fans, cruise control, defoggers, electronic suspension, and so forth, right? So all these are going to be your electrical diagrams or your wiring diagrams, okay? So I'm just going to open the anti-lock brakes just so you can see how it's going to look like, right? So as you can see right here, all wires are being represented in color, and the exact colors you are looking at are going to be the colors of the wires which are within your vehicle, okay? So here we can see that this is the, let me just confirm what this is, the ABS control module, right? And you can see just how it is connected to things like your wheel speed sensors, to things like your instrument clusters, the traction control switches, and so forth, okay? So in order for you to in fact, you can actually zoom these diagrams to any scale, right? And you don't have to worry about them pixelating because they are in high definition, okay? So you scroll right down, you've got things like your radio, you've got things like your transmission, and so forth. So under the radio, you can see that we've got the base radio circuit and the premium radio circuit. So depending on which your vehicle has, all you just have to do is to select it. And as you can see, it is comprehensive, so to say, right? And represented in a very neat way, all right? An easy way for you to follow, okay? So let me take you to the different wiring harnesses and different wiring connectors which are within this vehicle. Alright, so right here we've got a listing of all the different wiring connectors, right? The different wiring harnesses and the end views, right? So I'm just going to select one here. I'm going to select, let me just find maybe the ABS, or just maybe the powertrain, right? The powertrain control module. This is 2 of 2, 1 of 2, right? So this is what your powertrain connectors are going to look like. So you've got your pins explained here, right? You've got your pins explained. Pin number 1 all the way to pin number whatever the max, pin number 70, okay? So pin number 1 is going to be explained here. It's not used. Pin number 3 is used. That's the heated PVC control. Pin number 5 is the generator motor circuit, and so forth, right? So you can easily follow through, and whatever these pins are representing is going to also correspond with what you have seen at the electrical in the electrical diagrams, okay? So if we were to open the electrical diagram for the powertrain control modules, the pins that we are looking at here and the colors are also going to match or correspond, okay? So anything else, right? Any other connector, all you just have to do is to select it, and you're going to be given the information. This is what it's going to look like. The description, the harness, the number, and the base part number. If you want to look for it online, you can use this base part number, right? And and then the pins are explained, 1 and 2, 1 representing the fuel injector 2 control, and then 2 being the voltage supplied in start and run, right? All that is explained for us, right? So any other connector, all you just have to do is to select it, and the information is then presented right in front of you. So in my opinion, I believe this document is comprehensive. It has got all the information that you're going to require. So in order for you to download this document, in order for you to download this valuable information, all you just have to do is to go to the link which is in the description and follow the instructions that you're going to see. Like I said, these are absolutely free, so you don't have to worry about going somewhere to go and fetch your credit card. This is absolutely free. Thank you for watching.